want us to see on how we can create graphs and charts for our data. Now these are the outputs already that we produced from the data view and the data variables. This is the result. Now we need to see, these are all our tables. Now we need to produce charts and graphs and figures and all those that you may call them to beautify them, or at least to bring some graphical presentations in our data. Okay, all right, in our research, wherever you want to use it. So now join with me in this tutorial to learn on how we can create the best and perfect charts. Kindly consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and commenting here below. In case you notice any errors or falsified information, kindly let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for considering that. Now, to begin, we go to graphs. On the upper ribbon here, we have the section for graph here. So we click graph and we go to chart builder. Now we select the type of chart that we want. Let's select here and I click OK. Then we select the type of chart that we want, for example bar chart. Okay, you see they appear here, all of them. Favorites: bar chart, line, area, pie or polar, scatter, dot, histogram, high, low, box plot, dual axis, okay, etc. All these. So depending on your choice, which graph or chart that you want to use in your project. Let's say let's choose, for example, pie, and we drag it here. So after choosing here, from here, make sure after choosing from here, make sure you drag that to the upper section. Now if I release it here, you see it appearing in that section I dropped. So that's how we choose. Okay, kindly be patient, it takes time loading. I don't know why. I think my computer is heavy now. So even if you choose histogram, make sure you click it and you put it there. Now here you've already put the pie. Now what did we do with it? Now you come to drag here any of the variables and you put it down there. Okay, you may drag another one and put it. Okay, you drag one after another. Okay, so after that you click OK. You have also the section here where you can edit the properties. You can edit the color, you can edit the angle of axis, you can edit the polar of interval. Okay, so depending on your preferences. Now similarly, when you choose histogram, you come and put it here, you drag and put it there on top. So now you have to do one after another. So let's click OK and see the results. Now the program will generate for us the charts that we want. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's still processing. Okay, you see, so that's our graph, and explaining everything. You can put percentages here, so it depends on how we want to edit it in the editor section, in the editing section that I showed you. So the graph will be generated for either all of them or one after another. You choose. If you want to put all of them here, one graph will appear, and if you want for all these tables, then all these tables each will have its own graph. So you can come again to graphs, you can go to chart builders, you can click here OK, then you can choose, let's say, histogram, you bring it the histogram here, etc. You proceed with the process. Thank you very much for watching. I think you've understood on how we can insert the figures.